Oh, I can't walk anymore. Oh.
Dude, are you kidding me right now?
Toad, get up, now. Ugh, dude, it took like an hour to get to this place. It only took us 15 minutes, Toad. What do you expect? Look, I'm sorry. I need to get outside more often. That is true. You have been in your house lately, haven't you? Okay, fine, I have been. Jeez, I wasn't outside a lot of the time, so don't expect me to go to the park a lot. Okay then, unless I call you. Is there something on my head? Yeah, there is. Oh, thanks. No prob. So, how's Crash doing? Did he text you yet? Yeah, I did. He said he's not in the mood, he's getting tired, so he might take a little nap and just chillax. That's good. Oh, wait a sec. He's all alone, isn't he? What do? We gotta go back to the hotel immediately. Dude, relax. I told Mario to keep an eye on Crash, so Crash is not going anywhere. Oh, good. Thank God. I got a little worried there. There's nothing to worry about, Toad. Just Mario keeping an eye on Crash, that's all. That's good. Alright, so we gotta get going, alright? Alright. We got an adventure to do. Let's get going. Alright, let's go.
I think I'll go pick Crash a little busy.
Oh, what a great day this is today.
Well, but it isn't Crash Bandicoot.
You can't even get me, Lightning Tiger.
I can do better than
Mario? No one messes with my friends but me.
So, the legends are true. You do exist.
Get out of here. Don't you ever mess with my friends again.
Fine. Very well. I won't harm you. Yet. But I will be back. So long.
Oh, thanks a lot, Mario. If it wasn't for you, I'd be dead Bandicoot by now. And speaking of a dead Bandicoot, don't you even ever sneak out of the hotel ever again. I had to deal with worse than you. Okay, I am sorry, I apologize. It's too late for apologies. My work here is done. Now let's get going. Gotta get back to the hotel, see what your punishment is. Oh, crap. I'm screwed.